Today I'm going to demonstrate the end-user resize functionality for dedicated desktops in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.5. This is a new feature we've added which builds upon our previous end-user portal features of reimage and restore, which we introduced in recent versions. You can see that currently we have no resize option on this desktop, and I'll show you the process to enable it. From the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.5 console, find the pool which you wish to allow Resize to be enabled on. These are dedicated personal pools only. And select the user self-service portal. You can see in this example, we are already allowing the reimage of desktops and the restore of desktops, which you saw on the previous screen. I'm now going to enable Resize as well. From here, we can specify an additional allowed VM size, and if we need to, a disk size as well. Save and close. If we return to the end user portal and perform a refresh, takes a second whilst the desktops load in. And you can see that we now have the additional resize functionality available in this environment. So if I click on this, I can choose the VM size and the disk size that's been specified. So currently B2 MS standard and a disk size of 128 gig, but standard SSD. I'm going to scale this up to give myself better performance on this desktop. Additionally, we will be adding a temporary feature, so the ability for administrators to make these changes temporary and specify an amount of days that these resize operations are allowed for in order to reclaim additional costs and perhaps facilitate a month-end scenario when some users may need additional power and performance for a brief period. Simply click Run, the desktop will resize, and the console will display the changed VM size to reflect this. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you again.